Hello guys, today we in Midstream Heights estate. It's in the greater Midstream, located between Centurion and Midrand. And I want to show you this new property direct from a developer. It was sold and it came back in the market. For my American friends that visited a week or two ago, this house is back in the market. I want to show you, take you through this property today again, and show you all the finer details that's all about quality and style on this property. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 en-suites. You've got a double garage, a double carport with ample parking. You've got staff accommodation. You've got open plan living areas, and then also a full big swimming pool plus a boma, and all the nice things you're looking for. Ready to move in, all under roof, 435 square meters, and the land is 900 square meters. This house don't have transfer fees, it's direct from a developer, and it will go for 8,749,000 rand, South African rand. So the only thing that you will pay here will be your bond and your attorney fees. You've got a double garage coming from this side, entering straight into the property. As we're going here, you've got your home office, working from home. This house is not staged, so but this is your home office. Nice northern sun, natural sun coming in, aluminium frames, solid wooden doors. Your 4th room and your guest room also, that's basically ensuite and a guest bathroom also. Shower, basin, and give it a toilet style to the top. Nice quality lights, and then these special mirrors. Let me show you the bedroom. Bedroom number 4, built-in study desk or makeup station. This is ideal for visitors, guests coming in, for weekend visitors. Entering the living area, you also got these special finishing on your ceiling. Open plan, and a lot of people ask, they're looking for braais that's not part of the house, that's not inside the house. And you'll notice on this area here, it's open, there's no braai inside. If you decide to braai, we got a small boma area next to the house that I will show you now. Let's look here at the kitchen. Basically 2 Bosch air fryers. Everything brand new, like I mentioned, direct from a developer. A lot of door space, gas, and then also integrated fridge. That's also part. So if you do have a double door fridge, I'll show you now the space in the scullery where you'll put that. Your prep bowl. Oh, remember this is a new house. Water connection still, they're testing, switching on and off, making sure everything is connected, so the water is not on full flow. Your scullery area, space for your double door fridge, water connection point for your cold water and your ice maker. Then space for 3 appliances here, dishwasher, washing machine, and a tumble dryer. On the outside, we do have full staff accommodation, ensuite, shower, basin and toilet. and it's around a corner. You can also utilize it as a guest room that's totally separate from the main property. Let's look a bit to the outside of the property. Before we go out, you'll notice these special lights. It's a 3-way or 3-setting light with your integrated ceiling fan, and all these sliding doors is these double bigger doors, quality, and definitely the type of finishes you're looking for. A beautiful decking area that's quite private. If you want to put your sunbeds here direct onto the pool, and then people will ask me, what about this big house in front? This house will be completed in the next 4 months. This is completed, and one of the important things is all your neighbors' windows that's facing to the south or to the western side need to be frosted on top. So for your privacy, you need to live out north-northeast, and they will also live out north-northeast. Let me show you the boma. They're still busy cleaning. That's why we have this new property ready to move in soon. And then your boma area, space to work here. You can put a braai, this loose fire pits, and enough seating where you can put nice pillows and enjoy an afternoon in the shade where you have a beautiful sunset on the western side while you're sitting here and having your entertainment with your friends. You're entertaining your friends. A nice big size lap pool and ample garden space. This is definitely a bit bigger than normal, closer to 10 meters about by 4 meters. So it's a bit different from the smaller or the regular size pools. Let's look at the upstairs. Before we go upstairs, storage space. They utilize every bit of space for storage, and it's going underneath the staircase. So well utilized space. Look at this frameless glass balustrades, and also the finer details like the strips on the staircase. Everything fine detail. Remember, we do have this open plan at the bottom. So upstairs we got this PJ lounge and just enough windows for enough light coming from your southern side. All the bedrooms upstairs, there's 3 of them. All 3 is ensuite. So remember, the 4th one is down, also ensuite. Let's look at the first one. You got your own dresser and your own ensuite. Enough cupboard space, and with this beautiful denim look, and you can move the shelves. You want a higher or smaller or lower. Hanging space. Again, you got the reading light here. Space for your double bed. And this is one of the kids' rooms. It's not your main bedroom. And this is a full bathroom, shower, basin, floating vanity, and gibbered toilets. The finer, the tops, the Toilet seats still need to be fitted. Like I said, this is brand new and ready for you basically in 2 weeks' time. Bedroom number 2. This one got space for your shoes. A lot of cupboard space here. Again, nice ceiling fan with this special light on a 3-lever switch. Then full bathroom, shower, basin and toilet. Floating vanity behind me and enough space. Nice northern sun coming in. And let's look at the main. A linen cupboard. Entering the main, you'll notice that this main bedroom is overlooking onto the garden, and this is also the only one with your own balcony. Beautiful look. And remember, this houses they're still busy with. A few months and it's completed, and it will be dust free. I repeat this again with the big ceiling fan in the middle, enough space for even a king size extra length, space for your TV point, and then on that side you can make your own lounge. That's ideally here inside your main. Entering the dresser, enough space for shoes, cupboard space, hanging space, and everything you're looking for. Looking at this open plan, beautiful loose standing bath, floating vanity, and then also give it a toilet and a big shower with a hand shower on the inside. And remember, I always say, look at the height. Perfect. If we can summarize this property, there's 4 bedrooms plus a staff accommodation, 2 garages, 2 carports, ample parking space, open plan living areas, we're going to count them, so basically 3. Then that open plan feeling onto your from your kitchen onto your living area, direct onto the pool, and a boma area outside, all under roof, 435 square meters, and then going for a selling price of 8,749,000 rand.